Hey guys, Justin here from MathFileFolderGames.com. I'm here to share another math game with you on my daily math feature game. My challenge to share a game for 30 days in a row. So today's game is coming from my fifth grade file folder math game book. This game is on decimals. To put decimals in order. So the game starts off. So what you'll need to do, you use the sample board to begin with. And after you do the sample board once, then you'll create your own board. So let's just quickly go through it. This is like a boggle for decimals. So if you played the boggle before, so you give your students, everybody gets a board like this. So this is a great game to play with the entire class, but you can also break it down into smaller groups and play this game. This game is great for centers. So essentially you look at the board and you got to find, so you have to ascending order. So you want to find the smallest number, and you're trying to find the longest connection, right? So so you just find 6, boom, boom, that's as far as it goes. So you can see that I got 1 and 5/100, 2 and 85/100, and so forth, all the way up to 9, right? So it's getting bigger. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. I'm allowed to go diagonal and backwards. We got five squares, and you look at the scoring chart. So if you get the length of 5, I'm gonna get 3 points. And then you give them 3 minutes, right? So that's my 1. I can keep going with this, and so you only get points if there's at least 3 in a row. So I'm gonna go 1, 3, 5, 9. So I just got 3 points. 1 point there. So you can keep going for 3 minutes and see who can get the longest trail, and that's it. So it's pretty straightforward and quick game to play. I don't think it'll take very long for 3 minutes, right? It's a good warm-up, 3-minute warm-up. So once you do the first game, the standard board that I provided, then you'll get the blank copy. The blank copy, I have randomly, I start flipping over 3 cards. So you flip over 6, 6, 4. So 6 decimal 6, 4. So they write that on the board. And they just kind of go in an order, right? So it's going to be totally random. 5 decimal 9, 7. 7 and 43/100, and you just keep going all the way till the board's filled up. So it's completely random, and then they play the game. Again. So you need a dry erase marker twice, probably a red one and a blue one, or a black one. So it's 2 different colors, so they can make the board, and then they can actually give them 3 minutes, and boom, they're going. So it's a quick, fast warm-up game, or you can use in centers if you need to little rotation, quick little rotation. Yeah, that's the game. So as always, if you want this game, just leave a comment in the comments below and share with us how you could modify this game, how you could adapt it to your own classroom. And if you do that and leave a comment, I will send it on over your way, and I'll message it to you, is the way it works. And if you do that, that's gonna be great. And if you want the entire book with 40 different math games in it, 5th grade games in it, just head on over to my website. You'll find it at mathfilefoldergames.com/store. And once you're there, and if you use the discount code MATHISFUN, you'll get a 50% discount on anything in my store. This is kind of a secret discount code for all those who actually watch the entire video, get to see this, right? so you head on over there, you get that, and you can get all my books for 50% off. And that's it. And before I leave you, I just want to leave you a little quick, maybe a little pet peeve I have, share a little pet peeve I have about games and math classroom. I see a lot, and I hear a lot from teachers that they use math games, but they use them only for fast finishers, is what they say. Oh, if you finish your work, then you can go play a game. Like, I do it too. I know it's the best. I know a lot of you do that to keep them engaged to the entire period, but it's not the only time to play a math game. That's kind of my pet peeve. Fast finishers shouldn't be the only ones that are rewarded to play a math game. I think everybody, even those struggling students who are slow, should have an opportunity to play a math game. That's just my personal opinion, and I think it's important to remember that. Fast games aren't a reward. They're actually a tool to replace those boring worksheets. And that's what I have for you today. See you tomorrow. Thank you.